Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel. So today we're going to be trying to balance the color. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can balance the color of this photo. As you can see, it's looking kind of faded. So let's get straight into it. So we're going to be using camera raw filter to balance this peak. First thing I'm going to do, let's create another copy of the photo. Then you come up to camera raw filter. For most of you who has camera raw filter, some of them doesn't really look like this, some are blacks, but it's the same thing, so don't be worried. So what we're going to do first, try to add the contrast a bit, then add the lights, the shadows. After, reduce the blacks a little. Then you can come here on gray cells, so you can start playing with the color. Select hue, then add the greens a bit, give it some yellow too, oranges, then go to saturation, add the greens also, then add yellow, orange, also touch it a little. Keep adding until you see the photo is changing. The good thing, you'll be seeing how then you can here press before and after. So now come to luminance, add the yellows a bit too, add the greens. As you can see, the photo is changing slowly. Add the orange a bit, come down here to aqueous, green. It's just a matter of playing with these colors until you see what you want exactly. As you can see, the orange sometimes has some light on the face of the person. So then after that, now the main stuff, you come down back here on basics. Then on basics, come to vibrance, touch this a bit, add it. Then the saturation, add it little, not too much. As you can see, the photo is starting to come to life. Then come to contrast, add it a bit, add more of shadows so that we can have where the shadows are hiding. Then at least if you want it like this, you can add the highlights a bit. Then you press OK, so you can see before, after, before, after. Or in case you don't want to see the greens in the background, you can still come to gray cells here and you play with the green color too. You can either change it. Now you can see we have yellow background in case you didn't want the green, or if you want the green, it's according to what you like. Now here, just be playing with these colors. As you can see, now if you want only the background to be white and the color of the person to remain, you can also play with it like this. As you can see, we have the color of the person, the people in the photo, their colors are remaining, but the greens, we have removed them all. So you can just play with it like that also. Reduce the lights a bit. Then we have this. So let's add another copy, then we press the same thing. So we came from here when all of the photos were faded, went to the second one. You have already seen how I did that. Then after, the third one. So you can use any of these you want. All this looks nice. Thank you for watching. That's how you can color balance your pics easily in 3 seconds almost. I mean 3 minutes. Sometimes it can be seconds too. If you know it, you can run with it so fast. So it's as easy as that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Boom.